Hello students, this is Shovik, your instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about Python string. Okay, so let's take a quick revision tour to the entire string section. First, we need to understand what is a string. Okay, now the string is a sequence of character enclosed within quotes. Okay, string is a sequence of characters enclosed within quotes. Now if I take a variable a and I do this, this is an integer variable, but if I do take that variable into a double quote, it will become a string. Okay, in this way we can assign string values to a variable. Now how to assign multiple line string in a variable? For that we need to do this. Okay, multiple line variable string. Okay, the next thing is let me take one string for the entire thing, where hello world. Now string is basically an array. Okay, string is basically an array. So here we can slice the string or take one letter from this string using the index number, as we do in an array. So if I do this just like an array and do, it will print this L. Okay, now the index number of this H is 0, E is 1 and L is 2. Let's run the program. See, L, and O, like that. Okay, next one is slicing. How to slice the string according to your need. String in this section we will get a lot of functions. You can use a lot of functions that is available in your NCERT book or the book you follow. You can also get those functions from any websites. So I'm going to use some of those functions here. Now how to slice a string. Okay, now if I print this, and slicing of a string is something like the range function. Okay, it will have a starting point and the ending point. And okay, throwing an error, I don't know why. Oh yeah, I'm keeping my errors, and that way you can learn how to debug an error, and though I think these errors are too small. Yeah, okay, now LLO, we got LLO. How? See, this H is 0, the index number of this H is 0, then 1, then 2. So we have started the slicing from 2, this L, then up to 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is a blank space. Okay, now printing the string LLO. Okay, next one is very common, the length of a string. For that we have to use a function called len, then the variable name 11. The length of this variable is 11. Okay, next one is upper and lower. If the variable is in lowercase, we can use upper to make the whole string into the uppercase, or SMS lower. For that we can use functions like upper, lower. Okay, let me show you where lower. See, here the H is uppercase and here H is the lowercase, and the W2. Okay, and if I do upper, see the string in the uppercase. Okay, the next thing is checking particular letter in a string. So for that we can use loops, or you can use it directly by a variable. Okay, I am using a loop. If in var print it is there, else print not there. It is there because yes, ELLO is the part of our variable, string variable. Okay, now change it something like DFL. See, not there. Thus we can check particular letter or a set of letters using loops in a string variable. Okay, now we can also do this not in var, that is, if this set of letters are not present in our string variable, then it will show it is there. Okay, let's see, it is there. Clear? Now you can do this without using a loop. Just use one variable. Let's take a variable, and if I take the same example in var, and I print A, then it will show the result using a boolean, okay, whether it is true or false. Now in this case we will get the true as an input. Let's run this. See, it is showing true because this set of letters are present in our variable. Okay, let's do also this, and it will show false. See, false. Okay. Now the next thing is how to concatenate two string variables into one. Okay, in Python it is very much easy to concatenate two variables. We have one variable here. Let's take another variable. Let me delete all these things first. Var1 and var2, hello world and hello India. Okay, now to concatenate two string variables, we just need to do this. That's it. Okay, I have to print that variable first. Let's run the program. Hello world, hello India. Okay, concatenating two string variables into one. Clear? We can do this concatenation in various ways. Let me show you. If we do this, var1 and then print just var2, it will show the same result, hello world, hello India. Okay, next thing is format method in Python string. So what's that? I have shown you something like that in my one of my previous videos using double braces, if you remember. Let's do this another time. Okay, now if I do, let's take one variable and my name is, okay, and my age is this curly braces actually is a placeholder, as I told you earlier. And now if I do this print var and using format function, we can assign the values. Okay, I'm 15 years old. Let's run the program. You see, my name is Shobik and my age is 15. Okay, if I take some variables like name could be the reserved word here, so Shobik, and age, there is 15. We can simply put these variable names here, and it will also give me the same result as well. My name is Shobik and my age is 15. Okay, students, that is all for today's session. I hope you liked my videos, and do practice all these things and take challenges, do new things using all the string functions. There are several functions available in string in Python. So yeah, until then, thank you, have a good day.